Assalamualaikum students. This is chemistry teacher for class 9. We are going to discuss some basic terms of chemistry. Atoms, molecules, matters and mixtures. The smallest particles of an element which can or cannot free state and can enter into a chemical reaction. Atom is a Greek word which means indivisible because it was smallest thing in the universe and could not be divided further. Now, atoms are made up of three subatomic particles: electron, proton and neutron. Another is molecules. Molecules are the combination of atoms of same kind or different kind, like oxygen. Oxygen molecule is O2 because it consists same kind of atom. But in another case, carbon dioxide or H2O, in this case we can see that two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. This is also called a molecule. Third is matter. Anything which occupies space and has some mass is called matter. Matter is the stuff of which the universe is made. Any substance which possesses mass and occupies space is called matter. All matter on the earth is composed of either pure substance or a mixture substance. Students, matter can be divided in further classification: mixtures and pure substance. Mixture containing further division, homogeneous and heterogeneous. And pure substance are elements, compounds. Elements, you know well, elements are metals and non-metals. Mixture. A mixture is a substance which consists two or more pure substances not chemically combined with each other. Most of the substances in our daily life are not compounds. They do not have uniform composition and are not composed of one particular kind of matter. Water are found in lakes, ocean may contain many salts. Such substances are called mixture. So, there are two types of mixture: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Mixture, heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture have a uniform composition, for example salt and water, sugar and water. Homogeneous have uniform composition are called homogeneous mixture. They are also known as solution. Salt and water, sugar and water, air are the example of homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture which do not have uniform composition throughout their masses. For example, rocks, soil, ice creams, food products, etc. Students, these definitions should be right in chemistry register. In next lecture, further more basic terms I will be discussed. Thank you.